Hello guys, welcome to today's cooking video. Today we're going to be cooking a breakfast burrito. So let's dive into it. First step will be getting 2 eggs. Then the next step will be cooking the eggs. I'm going to start with high heat, just enough to heat it up the pan. Then I'm gonna bring the heat down. I'm gonna add some vegetable oil. Then I'm gonna throw a piece of butter. Then I'm gonna add eggs. Lift it up and start to scramble the eggs, like so. We don't want the eggs to be overcooked. I just want to have it like nice, soft. So I'm gonna place my flour tortilla. So now I'm gonna add cheddar cheese. Then and also I'm adding Swiss cheese as well. And I'm adding the scrambled eggs. So I'm gonna add some arugula. And also I'm adding some goat cheese. Now I'm gonna add some avocado. Then also I'm adding some olive oil as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and fold the breakfast burrito. Put a little bit of pressure. Okay. And now the final step, we're going to be adding some butter in the pan. I'm going to place some breakfast burrito. There you have nice looking breakfast burrito. And now we have our breakfast burrito cut in half. Now let's taste our breakfast burritos. They come out really good. Good flavors. And also adding the lemon oil in the breakfast burrito, it brings all the flavors into place. Thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. And thank you again for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one.